Prepare this tasty sandwich. At first we need to chop few veggies, carrots, capsicum, onions, a whole tomato, a whole onion, garlic, 2 green chillies and a lemon. After that we need to toast few peanuts. Then we need to stain excess water from dahi. After that we need to roast the whole veggies. After that add some butter in a pan and stir fry few veggies. Then add black pepper, salt, vinegar and soya sauce. After that fry it well. When it's properly cooked, then add the shredded chickens. After adding the shredded chickens, properly fry it until the chickens are fried. Then we need to peel the roasted tomatoes and other veggies. Peel it properly so that the burnt particles are not over the veggies, otherwise it will destroy its color. Then properly make a not smooth, crunchy paste, like the crunchy peanut butter type of. Make a crunchy paste of the veggies and the peanuts as shown. Then add hung curd to. Then add the veggies and squeeze a lemon. After squeezing the lemon, mix it properly. Then add chili flakes and it's ready to go on the bread. Then cut the edges of a bread and spread it all over the bread and cover it with another bread. Your sandwich is ready for the toast. So go for toasting it. Before toasting, spread some butter over your sandwich. Your butter should not be less. Then your sandwich is ready to be toasted. So now on a medium flame, toast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then again turn it and see the crunchiness. After that, cut it from the between and serve it as you like, with some french fries and mango lassi or mango smoothie, whatever you like.